How to get a refund from Audible after incorrect charge. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is simply get into audible.com, or you can use the application, and in here make sure that you're logged into your account, right? So after making sure that you're logged into your account, now what you can actually do is again tap on that menu bar right here, and then from there you'll actually be able to get your account details. Tap on account details, and then from there you can actually get into purchase history. Tap on that one, and then from there you can tap on return this title next to the untended purchase, or you can actually get into contact support for direct billing issue too. So like I said, you can actually go through the manual process of return this title, or you can simply get into the contact support, and there you can actually talk to your customer service in order regarding your refund from the Audible, where if you have gotten the incorrect charges, right? So simply talk to them, and I'm pretty sure you will actually be able to get your refund back to your original payment method. So yeah, that is it.